I've taken this mattress now on 5 camping trips. I've actually really enjoyed it, and I'm going to tell you why. Welcome to my review of the EXPED Megamat Auto mattress for Tesla Model Y. I'm going to give you my honest thoughts based on my experiences with using this mattress. We're going to go over topics such as storability, comfort, quality, and price. Here you can see a time lapse of us inflating the mattress and seeing what the process looks like for setup. Additionally, I will be including all links in the description below to the products I use in this video. And now that you've seen the setup process, let's take it back to the beginning with an unboxing video. This is how it came from the factory, so we'll see if we can actually roll it back up this way. This is the little inflation pump widget. Will give it an extra little boost when inflating. It is self-inflating, but this will help inflate it faster. Mini pump. Looks kind of funny, doesn't it? So upon first glance, it's rolled up very tightly, very nicely from the factory. So I don't know, we'll see if we can restore it to this. But I'm going to take it apart. Here's the instructions, but for now, we'll take it apart just so you can see kind of what it looks like. So this is an air mattress combined with foam. It feels very soft and comfortable. Once it's inflated, we'll lay on it and see how it actually feels. But for now, we're going to give it about an hour. I also wanted to show you how it inflates and how it deflates, so I'm going to pull it all back and show you that right now. Right here we have the inflation and deflation valves. The inflation obviously says in on it and it has a green tab. Deflation says out. So for inflation, it's pretty simple. You just pull it open, you'll hear the air being sucked in. Also, you can use this green tab to stick it into here, which helps open it up a little bit more and will help it inflate faster. With the help of our little inflation widget, which also has a light and a charging port on it, so if you need to charge like your phone or anything like that, that's pretty cool. It's pumped up probably in about, I don't know, 3 minutes or so. So far, feels very comfortable. Let's test it out. Now that it's fully inflated, I'm laying in it, and the biggest thing I wanted to test with this mattress is for when I'm sleeping on my side, because my shoulders and my hips get irritated if it's not super comfortable. So when I lay here, my hips feel very supported, my shoulder feels very supported. I don't have a pillow, but I don't feel the bottom of the car at all. I just feel the foam of the mattress. So far, it's very comfortable. This was my biggest concern. So now that I know this, I feel a lot better already. If I lay on my back, same thing. It's very comfortable. It's firm, but that's kind of what you get with an air mattress. I think this will work. We like the fit of this. We like that there aren't any gaps so that my phone doesn't fall in on accident. We like that it goes all the way up to the seats up here. It's truly a perfect fit, and I can't wait to use it to go camping. Alright, so now I'm going to pull the deflation valve so that the air can be let out. You can also assist by pushing on the mattress to force some of the air out. There's a little orange tab inside of the valve that you can put your finger on to help the air pass through quicker too, or you can just let it do its thing on its own if you have that much time on your hands. So right now we're just pushing the air out of it from the end. We folded it in half. If you have some time on your hands, you can let this deflate on its own. If not, you can speed up the process by folding it in half and then pushing the air out from the end. Okay, we've deflated it and just barely got the Velcro strap to close. So we're gonna see if we can fit it back in the bag, just how it came to us. and we'll see if it fits in the sub trunk. Good news, it fits in the bag. Let's see if it fits in the sub trunk. Which, once I take all this other stuff out. There you have it. Here's a time lapse of me inflating and setting up the mattress on my own. It's very easy to do with one person, and by using the EXPED widget pump, it makes the process go a lot faster. Today we're here at Red Rock Canyon State Park in California. I'm here to give you my thoughts and honest review on the EXPED mattress for my Tesla Model Y. I've taken it on about 6 camping trips so far. I'm going to tell you what I think, let you know should you buy it, should you not. Let's talk about it. Right off the bat, I was looking for a mattress that was high quality and comfortable. My biggest concern when shopping for a mattress was, am I going to feel the impact in my shoulders and in my hips? I can tell you right away that I did not have this problem. I am very comfortable in this mattress. I don't feel the impact in my shoulders and my hips from the surface below. In terms of the quality, you get the best of both worlds. You have a foam layer on top and an air mattress layer on the bottom. It's very easy to inflate this mattress. You have an option of self-inflation, or you can get the EXPED widget pump, which will pump up the mattress a lot faster. This pumps it up in about maybe 1 to 2 minutes or so. It's really convenient, especially if you're trying to set up quickly. Otherwise, you can let it self-inflate. It does have 2 separate valves, one for in and one for out, so that's also very convenient. Also, the widget pump is rechargeable and it has a little light on it, so in case you're in the dark and you need a little bit more light, that's super convenient. And it also has a charging port on the side, a USB and a USB-C, which is super cool. So that's the widget pump. Highly recommend adding that. So as you can see, we've already inflated it here. We just need to add the sheets and blankets, but I just wanted to leave it exposed for you to see what it looks like inside the car. But this specific model fits exactly in the Tesla Model Y. It can also be used in other SUVs such as Subaru, any other minivans. It won't fit quite as snug as it does in here, but this one is perfect if you are a Model Y owner. EXPED does also have several other options as far as mattresses, so they do make more than just the Tesla. So if you have a different type of SUV, it's definitely worth exploring their other options. To deflate it, it has a separate valve, so the air comes out through the deflation valve. You definitely have to force the air out of it. It won't fully deflate on its own, and I also recommend having a second person to help you with this process. When you're deflating the mattress, it's a little bit difficult to do with one person. I had a hard time trying to get it all rolled up and fitting the Velcro strap around it afterwards. I had to wrestle with it a little bit and roll it up and unroll it and push the air out a bunch of times. If you have a second person to help you with this process, it's actually a lot easier. As far as storing the mattress, it comes in a nice bag and it actually fits in the sub trunk. We interrupt this broadcast because there's a chipmunk on our picnic table trying to steal our snacks. So it comes in this really nice carrying bag with a clip, and this part rolls up as well, so it rolls into a nice, almost rolls into like a sleeping bag size, and then that fits under the sub trunk down below here, which is really convenient. I don't have to make space for it in my house once I'm done camping. It just goes in the sub trunk. When I'm ready to use it, I open it all up and set it all up. In this time lapse, you'll see how we set up the mattress by moving everything from the back seats into the front seats. We also tried something a little bit different this time by putting the sheet on the mattress before inflating it. While inflating, we checked all sides to make sure it was at our desired firmness level. And we also had to move the front seats up just a little bit so that it would fit better. Once it's fully inflated, we added our sheets and blankets, pillows, and then we had to test to make sure that the trunk would close. Since we built a platform underneath the bed, sometimes it does have a hard time closing, but after we wiggle it around a little bit, it ends up working out. So another thing about this is we built a platform down below here, and what this does is this actually levels it out more. It was comfortable before, but after the platform, since it's level, now we don't have ourselves sliding down, because before our heads were higher than our feet and we were sliding down a little bit in the middle of the night, which was kind of annoying. But that's not EXPED's fault, that's just Tesla. When you lay down the back seats, it's not flat. And it gives us more space in the sub trunk, So once we put the mattress away in its carrying case, it fits perfectly down below there.
Storability, 10 out of 10. Comfort, 10 out of 10. Quality, 10 out of 10. So after taking this mattress on 6 camping trips, there's only one con, and that's the price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this may not be the right option for you. If you're looking for a really high-quality option and something that will last you a long time, this is an excellent choice.
A lot of great things to say, super comfortable. I'm really looking forward to taking this on all my upcoming trips. I've got a bunch scheduled in California to do more car camping, so I'm really excited to have EXPED along for the journey. We'll see you there.